Today we're unboxing Paisley's house from Lego Friends. This is everything it comes with, so let's start building. This is the house at the end, and this is my first ever Lego building house I ever did, Lego Friends. And I think this is my favorite part, the inside of the house. And let's just give you a tour of the house. First, this is the backyard, you know. This is Jonathan. He is a really good chef. And yeah, that's why he has a pan in his hand. And he was cooking, he had an apple, a banana, and he baked some fresh sprinkly cookies. And this is, of course, Ella's bunny with his little carrot and his door that, of course, you can open. Oh, yes. And his little carrot that you can take out, but it's hard to put in, so I don't really want to. And this is Paisley's little thing. Of course, she loves the guitar, so she has a guitar. And she has a ladybug, and she has some notes. She has a flower and a tree and a bench, and yeah. And then we have a little garbage, and of course, they love water. They want to stay hydrated. So we have a little water, and we can pop that into the garbage. I think it was really easy, and I had a lot of fun building it. Let me just keep giving you a tour. We have the fridge with waffles, delicious, milk, and a popsicle. Then when you just go over here, you have a brush, whatever this thing is, and then a bed and another bed. This one's for her. There you go. This one. There. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.